Hello everyone, welcome back to the classes. It's me Ayush Tokania, and in the previous video we are done with ATM and enormous input test, and today we have another problem: add two numbers. So basically this problem will give you a feel about how the problems were asked in competitive programming. So before we get started, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. So let's read the problem statement. So Shivam is the youngest programmer in the world. He is just 12-year-old. Shivam is learning programming and today he is writing his first program. So as we see, the problem statement is creating a story. So basically in competitive programming, they were give us problems in a form of a story, and we have to figure out what exactly the problems wants from us. So if we read further, it is written this problem is very simple. uh, Given two integers a and b, write a program to add these two numbers. So from this line we get that we have two integers and we have to write a program to add that two numbers. So if we see the input, it is written that the first line contain an integer t denoting the total number of test case, and then in each line we have two integers a and b. So input section is basically what is the format of input we will found in the problem, and in the output section it is always written the format in which we have to output our answer. So in this given as for each test case, add a plus b and display it in a new line. So in this we have to display only the answer of a plus b. If you like wants to write the answer is a plus b, then the whole line the answer is a plus b is your output, and this may be your wrong answer because in this it only wants the answer a plus b. And if you see the constraint, this is the constraint here. So constraint is basically for what the values range between we found in the question. So let's see the example. Here we have three test case. First one is 1 and 2. So sum is 3, so we have to output 3, and same in another. So let's see the code. So here we have C implementation. This is a header file we include. Now first we declare a t as an integer for test case, and we have taking it as an input using scanf, and then we have a loop for our test cases to taking all the inputs, and then we have declared a and b as two integer, and we take it as a input using a scanf, and then we compute our answer as a plus b, and we have to print that. So we use printf to print that, and backslash and here is for printing in a new line. So let's see some examples. Let's run this example. So in the test one, by clicking the custom input you can use that. So let's run it, and submission is queued. Wait for the submission. So here we found 3550. So is this a right answer? 3550. So let's submit it. Let's see what happened. Submit. Okay. So this is the whole format in which you found a problem in a competition. There was a story first, then we have to figure out what we have to give output, then we have an input format, and then we have an output format, and also we have a constraint. This is a very important part of any problem statement, constraint part. So as you see, we have a correct answer. So we done it, and hope you got the question and the solution. If you still have any doubt, comment it down. We will very happy to solve your query. Thank you guys for watching.